Right, hello everyone. Well, apparently last week's FOMC meeting didn't end the debate over what tapering off quantitative easing means. Yesterday, Dallas Fed President Fisher and Minneapolis Fed President Kocherlakota dominated markets by putting their 2 cents in on the issue. The key point was that both these hawkish guys downplayed the tightening nature of tapering off and stressed that policy was only becoming less accommodative, not more restrictive, an idea that Fed Chairman Bernanke has tried to emphasize to the markets. Kocherlakota in particular said that it was a misperception that the FOMC had taken a hawkish turn, and he also stressed that monetary policy will remain loose for a considerable time after the bond purchasing comes to an end. With even these hawkish FOMC members trying to downplay the immediate implications of the Fed's tapering off, it was no wonder that the dollar weakened somewhat. Yet the US currency did manage to gain against some currencies, notably the Swedish krona, the Norwegian krone, the New Zealand dollar, and the Canadian dollar. These currencies were also big losers on Friday, suggesting that momentum traders have detected a trend here. We look for further weakening of these currencies if the smart money perceives that they're vulnerable. The commodity currencies certainly look so, given the concerns about growth in China. For example, dollar Nokia is continuing with its rally, having broken out from a 13-year-old trendline resistance on the weekly chart. It's broken out from the triangle pattern formation that it's been developing for the past 5 years, which sets a long-term price target just below 8, the figure. Currency selling pressures seem to compound just below the July 2012 high of 619.95, which is the highest the pair has been in more than 2.5 years. Resistance above 619.95 may come at 631.50 and thereafter at 653 the figure. Support may come in at 6 the figure and thereafter the trend line at 586 the figure. This is Marshall Gittler, head of Global FX Strategy at IronFX, wishing you solid trading.